Fixed automatic cleaning could not be carried out on the Miele CVA 6401 coffee machine. So here you may get an error message like this, and when you do, just simply get a new bottle of automatic cleaner. This is what it looks like. Here we're going to need to open up the door and remove the tray. Inside that tray on the left hand side, there is this small bottle. This is the automatic cleaner. So simply lift it up and then pull it out. So you need to kind of push up and then lift it out like that. And lift it up and pull it out. Okay, once you have taken out the automatic cleaner bottle, simply just turn it and then take it out of that yellow part, right, the yellow tray right there. So just twist and turn and take it out. And then we put in a new bottle. Now insert it back into your coffee machine like so, and close that plastic cover, and then close your coffee machine door. Now if we go to the top, there are some instructions. If you tap on the help button, there is a diagram showing you how to replace the automatic cleaning cartridge. So basically it's just what I told you just then, how you can remove it. Okay, so once you see this message, just tap on new and then tap on OK, and here it says please wait. So that's it, that's finished. And that's what you have to do to change your automatic cleaning cartridge on the Miele coffee machine.